4, 3, 2, 1, 0. We have liftoff of the Falcon 9. Falcon 9 is $30.
Alright, monitoring power, lifting nominal on both stages.
T plus 60 seconds. Altitude 6 kilometers. Speed 280 meters per second. Downrange distance 2 kilometers.
2, 1, 0. Liftoff.
Liftoff of the Falcon 9. Prop AVI RC and GMC proceeded to computer 3.170 for post-launch flight operations. GC, move to post-launch pad operations to secure the pad on PadNet A.
Copy, Wilco.
Stage 1 PU's active. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. Liftoff of the Falcon 9.
Vehicle is pushing downrange. Stage 1 propulsion is nominal.
Ignition. Liftoff of the Falcon 9.
Vehicle is pitching downrange.
Stage 1 propulsion is nominal.
0. Ignition. Vehicle is pitching downrange.
Stage 1 chamber pressure is nominal. Two, 1. Liftoff.
1. Ignition and liftoff of Transporter 4.
Pitching downrange. Stage 1, chamber pressure is nominal.
Ignition and liftoff of Starlink 414.
Vehicles pitching downrange. M1D chamber pressure is nominal.
And liftoff of the Falcon 9 and Starlink.
Pitching downrange. Stage 1, chamber pressure is nominal.
Ignition and liftoff of Starlink 3-2. Go Falcon 9. Vehicles pitching downrange. M1D chamber pressures are nominal. Engine full power. And liftoff of Starlink 429. Go Falcon 9.
Vehicles pitching downrange. M1D chamber pressure is nominal.
Engines full power. And liftoff of Starlink. Go Falcon 9. Go Starlink.
Vehicles pitching downrange. M1D chamber pressure is nominal.
chamber pressure is nominal.
Falcon is pitching downrange.
Yay, go Falcon.
Vehicles pitching downrange.
Stage 1 propulsion is nominal.
Engine full power. And liftoff of Starlink 3-5. Go Falcon, go Starlink.
Vehicle is pitching downrange.
Stage 1 chamber pressure is nominal.
Full power. And liftoff of Starlink 513. Go Falcon, go Starlink.
Vehicle is pitching downrange.
M1D chamber pressures are nominal.
That's the fuel tank.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition. We have liftoff. Go Falcon 9, go SpaceX, go Starlink through 615.
Vehicle is pitching downrange.
Stage 1 propulsion is nominal.
At T plus 30 seconds, Falcon 9 has successfully lifted off from Slick 4 East from
Ignition, engines full power, and liftoff of Space Stage C, 0B. Go Falcon, go SDA.
Stage 1 propulsion is nominal.
Vehicle is pitching downrange.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition, and liftoff. Go Falcon, go Starlink.
Vehicle is pitching downrange.
M1D chamber pressure is nominal.
Go Falcon 9, go right there. Vehicle pitching downrange.
Stage 1 chamber pressure nominal. One, ignition, and liftoff Falcon 9, go SpaceX, go MROL 186. Vehicle is pitching downrange. Stage 1 chamber pressure nominal.